So I'm about to take a test. I have my handy dandy test right here. And I am a couple days away from the start of my cycle, but I'm too anxious to wait till then. So I'm gonna take the test and see what happens. I don't want to wait till I actually start my cycle or miss the cycle. You guys know what I mean. So I'm about 3 or 4 days out, so I'm gonna test and see what happens. I am so nervous. I don't know. Guys, so it's been like 3 minutes and I think I have a faint line, a very, very faint line. Like, am I tripping? I'm definitely gonna have to test again, but like, can y'all see that? I can see it, but it's really faint. Okay, you'll see. Faint, very faint. But guys, I think that means it's a yes. Oh my god. Let me not get excited, but I'm gonna have to test again in a few days. Hey guys, so we're a couple days now into my cycle and my period still hasn't come. I now have a digital test that I'm about to take and I'm gonna see what it says. Okay, so I took the test and it's almost ready. Y'all. I'm gonna be a mom. Okay, this is exciting and scary at the same time because I kind of knew even days before my cycle started. It's just something I felt and I decided to test. And there it is. I'm gonna be a mom. Let this be a reminder. Speak life into your life. Be careful of the words you speak over your life. Because I always said, or at least over the past year and a half, I have been saying that by the time I'm 37, I would like to have my first child. Lo and behold, I am into my 37th year. I just turned 36 a few months ago, and I'm into my 37th year. And what will you have it? So when I tell you, let this be a reminder, speak life over yourself, because life and death lies in the power of the tongue. Okay, now I gotta figure out a way to tell him. They don't really know how I should tell him. It's a surprise. We were not planning this. So I'm scared, I'm nervous, and I don't know how this is gonna go. Let's just say that. But the idea that I'm thinking in my head is he loves tennis. Like, he's a tennis fanatic. He plays tennis a lot. So I figured I would make the announcement around that. So this is my plan. I have a little box here that already has a little bit of shredded paper in there. And so my plan is to just put a few little things in there to make the announcement. So I'm gonna put the pregnancy test. Then I ordered a little onesie. I ordered it off of Etsy, and I was hoping that this part wouldn't have been on it. Though we've been keeping a secret. We've been keeping a little secret part. I wasn't aware that this was gonna be on there. I thought it was just a way to let you know what it could look like on the shirt. I didn't know that this whole thing was gonna be there. So originally my plan was to just have the doubles partner coming soon part. That is all that I really wanted on the shirt with the baby footprint, but it is what it is. So yeah, so we're gonna have this. And then I also ordered this little miniature tennis rackets off of Amazon. It's really a keychain. So It's a little tennis racket with a tennis ball. So let me put that together really quickly and show you what I'm thinking it should look like. I can't tell you how it's gonna go because I don't know. I'm nervous, I'm scared, but I don't think I'm gonna put a reaction video, but I'll try to put as much as I can, if I can. Good morning, guys. So at the time of recording this, it is Thanksgiving Day. My plan is to get up and do some cooking, not a lot, because we are going to my sister's, so she's doing some of the food and I'm doing some of the food as well. I may not vlog the entire day. I just want to capture moments of today to have something for my records. The idea is everyone is going to have a piece of paper and a pen, and they're going to write something that they're thankful for. We're going to drop it into a bowl or container of some sort and shake it up, and this one person is going to pull out a note at a time and read it. The twist is that my ultrasound pic will be in the bowl. I'm dropping it in the bowl instead of a note, so when somebody picks it, surprise. All right, guys, so I'm at my sister's. There's talking in the background, but just wanted to show you the quick fit. So this is a jacket, I guess, I got from Walmart. This is a shirt that I ordered from Amazon. It says roasting a little turkey with baby feet on the stomach area. This is black leggings that I have, which was part of an athleisure wear that I got from Amazon. And shoes were my Ralph Lauren shoes. So we're about to have dinner and say grace and do a little thankful notes thingy. So pray for me, y'all. I'm hoping that this goes as expected, but I don't know what to expect, so.
Thankful for new beginnings, family, and future play dates. That was specific.
What is that?
Wait.
Oh, you should have been passing it around, man. Maybe you're guessing the wrong person.
Exactly. What happened? Exactly. Pregnant? How was it just chances?
Kind of something.
Yes, it's kind of something.
Wow.
What do people get scans of?
They're pregnant or
Okay.
they scan you.
I was thinking it was you.
You're holding
Scan of.
somebody pregnant, yeah?
Correct.
It's just 2 options, Mom.
What? 2 options there.
It's 2 options.
It's like not on something.
Okay, there's a name at the top.
And Sharina's out of the equation.
Oh my God.